بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم ناظرین. آج کا پروگرام شروع کرنے سے پہلے یا یوں سمجھ لیجئے کہ میں آج کا یہ پروگرام اس دعا کے ساتھ شروع کر رہا ہوں جو احمد ندیم قاسمی صاحب نے ایک وقت میں پاکستان کے لیے مانگی تھی. خدا کرے میری عرض پاک پر اترے وہ فصل گل جسے اندیشہ زوال نہ ہو. یہاں جو پھول کھلے وہ کھلا رہے صدیوں، یہاں خزاں کو گزرنے کی بھی مجال نہ ہو. ناظرین، آج ہم پاکستان کا 72واں یوم آزادی منا رہے ہیں. ان 72 سالوں میں پاکستان نے کیا کھویا کیا پایا یہ ایک الگ بحث ہے. اس سے قطع نظر یہ حقیقت ہے کہ ان 72 سالوں کے سفر میں پاکستان اور پاکستانیوں نے ہمیشہ پاکستان کی آزادی کے ایک ایک لمحے کو انجوائے کیا ہے، اس سے مستفید ہوئے ہیں. اور آزادی کی اس نعمت کا فرق ان لوگوں سے پوچھئے جو آج بھی غلامی کی زندگی بسر کر رہے ہیں. یہ موضوع انتہائی وسیع ہے، لیکن آج کا ہمارا یہ ٹاپک اس پر نہیں ہے. ہم اس سے ہٹ کر بات کریں گے. ہم دیار غیر میں بیٹھے یہاں پر بیٹھ کر بھی پاکستان کی بلندی سربلندی، اس کی خوشحالی کی دعائیں مانگتے ہیں، امن و امان کی دعائیں مانگتے ہیں، اور ہم یہ چاہتے ہیں کہ ہمارا ملک دن دگنی رات چگنی ترقی کرے. ناظرین، آج کا یہ پروگرام اس حوالے سے مختلف ہے کہ آج ہم کسی پاکستانی یا پاکستانیوں کی آواز نہیں، بلکہ ہم پاکستان سے باہر جس ملک میں ہم بیٹھے کام کر رہے ہیں، جس ملک میں ہم اپنی معاش کما رہے ہیں، وہاں کے جو رہنے والے ہیں، ہم نے یہ سوچا کہ ہم آج آپ کی ان سے ملاقات کرواتے ہیں. وہ پاکستان کے متعلق کیا سوچتے ہیں، ان کے پاکستان سے متعلق کیا خیالات ہیں، اور وہ پاکستان کو کس نظر سے دیکھتے ہیں. اس کے لیے آج میں سعودی عرب میں ایک بہت ہی محترم شخصیت ہمارے ساتھ ہیں جن کا میں آپ سے تعارف کرواتا ہوں. بزنس مین ہیں، اینڈ میں یہاں پر اپنا میڈیم جو ہے وہ تبدیل کرتا ہوں تاکہ ہم ان کو اپنے ساتھ کنورسیشن میں لے سکیں. ویل، I am in the office of Mr. Khalid Al Sabti. He is quite young man, young entrepreneur, Saudi entrepreneur. He is very highly qualified from AM University, Texas, USA, and worked with various top rated audit firms in different positions. And he right now is serving as CEO of Ecovis Al Sabti. Now we'll discuss with Mr. Khalid that how, first of all, let us know a brief about your success story. Mr. Khalid, thank you very much in the show. Please let us know, our viewers, what is the history of your success story, please.
Well, thank you very much, Brother Mubashir, for these kind words. I appreciate it. Well, I would like to think of our success story as an institutional success. Started with my father when he started his professional career in the late 70s as a Saudi professional, during which he shifted from both private and government sector until he started his professional office in the late 2000. During which we shifted we were providing limited services at that time in both audits and tax and zakat services, and we shifted from several international networks until we landed on Ecovis International. Nowadays, Brother Mubashir, we are Ecovis Al Sabti. We are local. We have local and international presence in Pakistan and over 60 countries. And also we are providing wide professional services from our local and international highly qualified professionals, together with Mr. Saad Al Sabti, Mr. O.S. Khan, who is also a Pakistani brother, and myself. We are providing these professional services and consulting and advisory services to our clients.
Thank you very much. And as you know, Pakistanis are very jubilant and excited while celebrating their Augustus Independence Day. It is 72nd Independence Day we are going to celebrate. Not like Saudi Arabia, they have gone through 100 Independence Day, mashallah, but definitely we are following you. So I would like to know how our Saudi brothers think about Pakistan Independence Day and about Pakistani manpower working under your sponsorship and their contribution to the development of Saudi Arabia.
Well, Brother Mubashir, I have been working with Pakistani brothers since childhood. Since childhood, I've been working with them. So I have contracted with them, I have worked under their supervision, and I have had them under my sponsorship. And to be honest, Brother Mubashir, they are qualified professionals and who have strong values derived from the Islamic teachers. They are committed, hard-working professionals that I really enjoyed working with.
So nice of you. That's very good to know, because there's one side of the picture in Pakistan sometimes. I agree, society is a mixture of good and bad people. Sometimes you have very good experience, very sweet experience. Sometimes you have bitter experience. And you can say it is not one-sided. Sometimes on either side there is something which accumulate to this one. Anyhow, we move forward. That how would you evaluate Pakistani manpower contribution in development of Saudi Arabia, as Pakistanis are in the region since, we can say, 1970 or late 70s, early 70s. They have been here and they're working and as you mentioned, you have gone through all three phases. You've been childhood, you were with them, you have been supervised with them, and you are supervising them now. So how do you find Pakistani manpower, please?
Well, Mubashir, I could not think of any project currently has been done or currently is been undergoing that there are no Pakistani professionals or brothers working under it, whether it's construction, infrastructure, trading, or professional and technical services. So their contribution is huge and cannot be calculated, to be honest, since the inception of the relationship between these two countries.
You mean since Saudi Arabia is developing, if I can phrase it in this way, since the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is on its way to developing, Pakistanis are since then, they are contributing from the day one until now, and hopefully they will remain.
They will, I'm sure of that.
Inshallah. So nice of you. And how you find their integrity and in the professions?
As I mentioned, Brother Mubashir, they have. I've found that they have a very strong belief in the Islamic teachers, and their commitment and their morals are derived from their Islamic teachers. That is why I find their morals and this is a good merits that they are having since they are strong in their Islamic teachings, and also when we conduct business with them, they put this kind of merits or this kind of teachers in their business transactions. That is why I feel comfortable in dealing with them.
Thank you very much. So first of all, again, I would like to thank you for sparing some of your precious time. I know you are very busy, and move forward. This is what the positive points of Pakistani manpower, strength of manpower, and being impartial. I would like to know the areas where Pakistani manpower is lacking to contribute much more than what they are contributing in the development of Saudi Arabia.
Arabic, speaking Arabic, Brother Mubashir. So I know that I'm not asking much. It's a mother tongue of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and also that the Arabic mother tongue also for Quran as well.
Yes.
So if the professionals, Pakistani professionals, are well equipped of Arabic speaking, that gives them a huge advantage in the Saudi market.
What do you suggest for them? How could they go for this one? Do you think in certain civilized societies like in Europe, like in Germany, for example, if you want to go and work there, you have to learn the German language, Dutch language. Is it possible that in future it might be a difficult question and difficult for Pakistani professionals? Saudi Arabia is going to make it compulsory for the Pakistani professionals or any other professionals to come to Saudi Arabia. They must learn Arabic.
I don't think so. As we are now shifting on having English as an official or unofficial, but as a common business language in Saudi Arabia. Yes, since we have lots of expats here in Saudi Arabia, that is why we are dealing with English much and more. That's why it's difficult to have a strict policy that we only deal with Arabic or in the contracts on any other business transactions.
And this is all under the vision of, I think, as Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, Vision 2030, that Saudi Arabia is now shifting medium from Arabic to English gradually. Is it?
It's not like that. It's that under the vision of under the vision of 2030, saying that Saudi Arabia will be exposed more to
the
rest of the world and international business. And in doing that, we have to
this international language.
That is true, yes.
Yes.
So it's difficult
so this is somehow it is related to the Vision 2030 of Prince Mohammed bin Salman. It's very much in accordance with that.
Yes, that is
yes. What's your personal feeling about state of Pakistan and bilateral relation with Saudi Arabia and its future? It's little bit political, but we can segregate it from the politics. Being investor, trader, how do you think this bilateral relations?
I think it is strong and it is going stronger. Last October I've been in Pakistan. This is my first time to be in Pakistan.
Lovely.
And what I felt over there, I felt like home, Brother Mubashir, with all of my brothers and sisters in Pakistani and Pakistanis brothers as well. In Pakistan, I felt nothing like strange in that city or society. So what I feel about the state of Pakistan, I feel like it's a second home, and as a Saudi national.
MashaAllah, the same feeling as of Pakistani.
Thank you.
We always consider Saudi Arabia as our second home.
Thank you.
And we take lots of liberties and luxuries from Saudi Arabia, which is sometimes for granted as well. But anyhow, this is the brotherhood and we can take this liberty.
Yes.
And thanks to King Salman and Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman and all your hospitalities and your generous attitude towards Pakistan, is you being the businessman, I mean. Anyway, do you think, rather what is your opinion about Pakistan embassy role for your business deals in Pakistan, how they are facilitating you, the business community, to get more and more interact with Pakistani businessmen?
Thank you for asking this question, Brother Mubashir. I would like to also to emphasize on that matter is that the Pakistani embassy played a vital role in doing our business in Pakistan and provide us an essential advantage in doing our business over there. Their support is coming from the top of the pyramids until all the hierarchies coming in the embassy, starting from Mr. Ambassador, Mr. Raja Ali Sheikh, and commercial attaché Dr. Amir Hussein, and welfare attaché also. Yes, and welfare attaché as well, Abdul Shakur. Yes, Mr. Shakur Sheikh as well. They all support us in doing our business and also ease our burdens or in doing our business internationally.
So they are facilitating, Pakistan Embassy is playing its major role to facilitate the investors and the businessmen with the Pakistan.
Yes, and you know, every international business, there are barriers of entries. So what are the embassy and the ambassador is doing, or to reduce these barriers in order for us to conduct a business like we are conducting business locally here. So just the feeling of having an open doors with Mr. Ambassador provide us with a comfort when we do our business transactions. And that's what was happened last July, to be honest. We set a meeting with Mr. Ambassador and commercial attaché Dr. Amir. We sat with them for about an hour and discussed several matters that we are facing during our business.
So it is helpful over there. Yes. When the letter or some recommendations is sent from embassy to Pakistani authorities in Pakistan,
yes,
it helps.
Yes, definitely.
So that's very good. It means we have a certain impression that someone has this one, but Pakistan Embassy is doing well. If you people, a person like you is being satisfied, who has recently visited Pakistan, recently visited embassy and have discussion, detailed discussion, and they facilitate you,
Yeah.
we shall hats off and salute to Pakistan Embassy as well as your personal efforts to resolve not to give up and keep
Yeah.
going with Pakistan. Thank you very much, Mr. Khalid.
Anytime.
So nice of you. Hopefully we'll meet again.
Thank you, Brother
Thanks till
Mubashir.
now.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.
Thank you, Brother Mubashir. Thank you.